Hello everyone, and welcome to this tutorial. In this video, we'll learn how to manage leads in HubSpot CRM step by step, designed for beginners and small businesses in 2026. Let's get started. Leads in HubSpot are potential customers who have shown interest in your product or service. Properly managing leads helps you stay organized, follow up efficiently, and convert more prospects into customers. First, log into your HubSpot account. From the top menu, click Contacts. Contacts to view all leads in your CRM. To add a new lead manually, click Create Contact. Enter details such as name, email, phone number, and company, then click Create. You can also import leads in bulk using a CSV or Excel file. Make sure to map fields correctly so that all information is saved accurately in the CRM. Next, organize leads using contact properties. Assign lifecycle stages like lead, marketing qualified lead, or sales qualified lead. This helps you prioritize follow-ups and track progress. Assign lead owners to each lead. This ensures someone is responsible for following up and managing the relationship. Use tasks to stay on top of leads. Create tasks for calls, emails, or meetings with due dates and reminders so no lead is neglected. Log all activities related to each lead. HubSpot automatically tracks emails, calls, and meeting notes, giving you a complete view of your interactions. Segment leads into lists based on criteria such as location, interest, or source. This allows you to send targeted emails and campaigns for better engagement. Finally, monitor lead performance using dashboards. Track metrics like lead conversion, follow-up tasks, and response rates to improve your lead management process. In summary, managing leads in HubSpot CRM helps you stay organized, engage leads effectively, and increase sales. By using contact properties, tasks, activity tracking, and lists, you can grow your business efficiently in 2026. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.